Hey you guys, it's Star. Thank you so much for tuning into the video. I hope you're having a good day or night whenever you are watching. So yes, y'all, it is actually pretty early in the morning and I decided to stop by Walgreens after I dropped my son off at school because we got some brand new Ibotta rebates that equals some brand new money makers, and this is super easy to do that anyone can do. So I want to show you all what we're grabbing today. So before I get into the Ibotta deals, I do want to show you guys some online deals that I did. Since I was coming to the store, I decided to place an online pickup order because I had a really nice booster where if I spend $1, I'll get back $10 in Walgreens cash. So I decided to get one of these L'Oreal moisturizers. These are actually $12.49 online. We do have a $2 Walgreens coupon, and then I also had an $8 Just For You coupon, making this only $2.49. And then we also have some really nice savings on L'Oreal lipstick. Now I ordered these products online right now because they are $5.49 online too on clearance, and we have matching digital coupons. We have a $5 off of one, we have a Just For You coupon, we have a $5 off of two, and we have like a 3 off of 3 instant savings online, and we have like a $2 store coupon. So lots of savings on the L'Oreal lipstick. You can grab them really cheap. Let me show you how my online deal worked out. All right, you guys, so this is my complete online pickup order that I did. Super simple and easy. So there is the 3 L'Oreal lipsticks that I got. Those came up to $9.64 after the Walgreens coupons and the clearance pricing for all 3. And then there is the moisturizer that was $9.94 after the $2 Walgreens coupon. I used the $8 digital, the Just For You coupon on the moisturizer, plus the 5 off of 2 for the lipstick. And then that brought my subtotal to $6.58. I did use $5 in Walgreens cash and I put the rest on PayPal. So I paid $1.58 plus tax, which was enough to use that $10 booster coupon that I had. So I ended up paying out $6.58 in that deal. And then I did get back $10 in Walgreens cash for my booster, making all 3 of those not only free, but a $3.42 moneymaker, making all 4 of them free, plus a $3.42 moneymaker with that booster coupon. Now let's get into the Ibotta moneymaker that everyone can do. So now we're gonna grab some of these Big Easy Rinse razors, and special thank you to the super kind couponer who just gave me one of her razors because my store only, well, the shelf is empty. They only had this one left. And she gave me one of hers. She was like, "Are you looking for the Big Easy Rinse?" And I was like, "Yes." And she let me have one of hers. So that kindness this morning was so nice. So I don't have to go to another store to film the rest of this video. So when you buy 2 of these big razors, we're going to get back a $2 register reward. And they're buy one, get one 50% off. And we have a brand new Ibotta rebate for $8.99 in cash back. So when you pick up one of them for $8.49, submit back to Ibotta, makes this completely free anyway. But with the additional sales and promotions that we have at Walgreens, makes these a moneymaker. And we also have a $3 digital coupon. We are going to do this deal on the men's, but we're also going to do it on the women's. So we're going to grab one of each razor and we're going to be submitting back to Ibotta for both rebates. Let me show you the breakdown. All right, you guys, so let's work out the breakdown on these razors. One of them is going to be $8.49. The other one should ring out for $4.24 since it's going to be buy one, get one 50% off. We do have a $3 digital coupon that we're going to use on one of them, and that is going to leave us to pay $9.73 at the register. So we'll pay out $9.73, and then we're going to submit back for $8.99 for one razor, then $8.99 for the second razor, and then I'm also going to submit over to the coupons app for a $3 digital coupon for the other razor. You can also do Alexa or Shop Me In, whichever you prefer for that other razor. That's going to make 2 of these free plus an $11.25 moneymaker already. But then we're also getting back that $2 register reward. Total moneymaker is going to be $13.25. $13.25 cash moneymaker. All right, you guys, so I just did the big transaction in store. I also got 3 more of the L'Oreal items in this transaction just to boost my total up so that I could use a spin booster. I had a spend 20, get 5 on the card that I used. So with this, my subtotal came up to $16.21. After my 2 digital coupons, we had the $5 for the L'Oreal and the $3 for the BIC. Now with this L'Oreal, you definitely want to do that deal online versus in store because it comes out much cheaper that way, but it still worked out pretty good. So after those 2 digital coupons, subtotal came up to $16.21. I only redeemed $3 in Walgreens cash. I could have redeemed a little bit more, but I just wanted to be safe at the register. So I redeemed $3 in Walgreens cash, and I also earned back that $5 in Walgreens cash. So let's do the math on how this worked out. So $16.21. We got back $5 in Walgreens cash for my spin booster. I also got back the $2 register reward for the BIC. And I also got back $17.98, you guys, from Ibotta. And of course, I submitted over to the coupons app for my $3 in cash back for the second BIC razor. That transaction with these 5 items was free plus an $11.77 moneymaker. And so I think I'm gonna do another transaction because I got the spin booster for spin 10, earn 5. That's really, really nice. So I'm gonna do that. And I'm also gonna use this $2 register reward because I do not like to leave Walgreens with register rewards because I can't be trusted to come back and spend them on time. So let's go and see what else we can grab with these 2 coupons. So the next thing I'm going to grab is some Scott paper products. These are buy one, get one 50% off this week. So we're going to pick up 2 of these for $7.50. I do have a $1 digital coupon, and I'm also going to submit back to the coupons app for the second package. That's going to bring me down to $5.50 for 2 packs, or just $2.75 each. They have a lot of different laundry clearance that is all still pretty high to me, including this Persil. But after the $5 point booster that we're using, this is going to come out to a really good deal. I am also going to submit over to the coupons app for $2 on this baby as well, making it $4.29 after that coupon plus our Walgreens savings. So this is going to be my next transaction. If you do get insert coupons, we do have $2 coupons for the Persil, so you don't have to submit back to the coupons app, but you can do it all digital, whichever you prefer. In this transaction, I'm just going to be using the $1 coupon for the Scott. So let's go check out with this transaction and see how it works. All right, you guys, so let's go over that transaction. There is our Scott, there's our Persil. I used the point booster, and then I also used the $2 coupon for the Persil, the $2 register reward, and I also used the $1 digital for the Scott. So that brought my subtotal down to $8.79. When you add that register reward back in there, that means that we paid out $10.79 for that deal. But then I did get back $5 for my point booster and that paper point booster that we used, and I also submitted back to the coupons app for $1 for the Scott. So we paid out $10.79, but we got back $6.13 in that deal. That means these 3 items cost us $4.66, or like $1.50 a piece. So this is our complete haul for today with the online moneymaker that we had, the in-store moneymaker that we had. This all comes out to be free, plus about a $10 moneymaker for everything that we got. So Walgreens is pretty nice this week. So let me know if you have any questions about these easy deals. Definitely go, if y'all don't do nothing else, go and get those easy rinse razors if your store carries those. Definitely check on the Walgreens app or website to make sure they are carried at your location before you run. But that is definitely an awesome deal to get the weekend started. As always, you guys, I thank you so much for watching today's video. Please remember to hit that thumbs up button and subscribe if you have not already. And as always, you guys, I'll talk to you soon. Bye.